Finding God in nature. Have you ever looked at something beautiful and thought, wow, who made this? Watched the waves in the ocean and just stood there, mesmerized by the beauty. For the past month, I've seen so many breathtaking scenes in nature, and it made me wonder, could all this beauty really happen by accident? Even scientists say the world is full of patterns and design, and many people see that as a sign of a creator. They say everything has a cause. So shouldn't the world have a cause too? I mean, seriously, how can something this awesome exist without a plan? From the smallest animals to the largest ones, every piece fits together like a giant puzzle, working in harmony. And it doesn't even matter where I am. I see the magnificence of God's creation in everything. Even back home, I notice little reminders, sunsets, flowers, and the way everything just works together. It makes me feel like I'm a part of something bigger. And it's like God left little clues everywhere. We just have to stop and look.
I think this is their guard.
In Job 12:7-10, it says, "But ask the beasts, and they shall teach thee, and the fowls of the air, and they shall tell thee. Or speak to the earth, and it shall teach thee, and the fishes of the sea shall declare unto thee. Who knoweth not in all these that the hand of the Lord hath wrought this?" And honestly, some animals are just too funny to not have been made by someone creative.
Is that a baby kangaroo?
Genesis 1:20-21. Then God said, "Let the waters abound with an abundance of living creatures, and let birds fly above the earth across the face of the firmament of the heavens." So God created great sea creatures and every living thing that moves, with which the waters abounded, according to their kind, and every winged bird according to its kind. And God saw that it was good. Come on, when looking at all these animals and creatures and sceneries that we all see, can we not think that there's a creator out there? Someone who created all of this. How could this all just happen by accident? After seeing all of this, I believe nature is God's artwork. Every color, every creature, every pattern points back to Him. The more I explore, the more I see his fingerprints. His creation reveals his deep and powerful love for us in everything he made. So next time you go outside, take a look around. You might just see more than just trees and the sky. You might see the Creator behind it all. The world is full of God's clues.